All right, how you doing today? Today we're gonna take a look at the Donner D1 drum machine here, Essential D1, if you will, by Donner. I got a bunch of cool new products from them. I also got the Donner Essential B1, which is a synthesizer, 303 type synth, very cool indeed. And then we also have the Midu. Anyways, I got some videos for this, the B1 up as well. Today we're gonna take a quick look at the Donner D1 here, and let's just get right into it. As you can see, drum machine, very cool indeed. Got 16 pads, if you will, and then we have 8 dial knobs here for effects and pitch and stuff like that. We got 4 volume controls, and then we have other things like a transport and all that fun stuff, controls. And there's a software that you can use on your computer too to do all this stuff with, to change things around, add samples. We got samples from the drum samples are from Loopmasters.com, if you will. There's where you change your kits right there. And then on the back panel, we have, I'll unplug that for a second. No, there we go. So we have your USB, your headphone jack. We got old school MIDI cables in and out, and we also have the output for your mixer or wherever you're gonna output things to. And there's the bottom of there as well. So let's just mess around with it, check it out. We'll go through some other features, but anyways, let's check it out. So we got the kits over here. We could change between the kits with this knob here. It also acts as an enter button. We hit that. We got our kits. And then we have like 16th and 32nd notes if we want to do something like this. And then we have our volume for every pad. This is bank A here. So these would be the volume for the kick and such. And then we go to bank B. This is for these pads here. And then the next one up, again, these ones. And then we have our play button for patterns here. We got fills. And then we can change our kits here. Go back to kit. Let's put this trap kit on or something, hit enter. We have the tap tempo. So we want something, that's a pretty good tempo actually right now for this one. Now let's take this pad here and we'll change the pitch. So you hit your pad, you get your pitch, and then we can change the start and the stopping time of the pads as well. Decay. There's different parameters here. We got the pitch, decay, parameter 1, reverb send, delay send as well. And we have our master effects over here. Check out some other kits here. Now here's a lo-fi kit. Now we can change the tempo as the song's playing too. Have some fun with it that way as well, of course. And then, you know, mess around here. So we got clear parts, we got bank A, we got the shift. I'm not sure what the shift does yet to figure that out. Mute. Guess we get muted patterns or kick as well. Master effects, we got bus compressor and reverb, delay. I guess that's on our effects send here. Ooh, bass drum distortion. Sounds the same to me. Oh, there we go. So we have different effects. We have a pan. I have it in mono right now, just one cable coming out. All right, let's play with some more kits, demos. And then we have the Donner control app where I have the Essential D1 connected here. And we go in here, check out some samples, load in some other samples. Storage used 1%, so lots of storage there. Kit edits, export import settings, velocity curves and such, all that fun stuff. And then we have an upgrade here where you can update your firmware. Like I need a firmware upgrade right now, so let's just do that. And it's upgraded 98%, 100% upgraded. There you go. All right, so there you go. Let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below. If you have any questions, leave them down below as well. Very cool drum machine indeed. Check out my other videos. Yeah, that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.